Hello, and welcome back to Nonsense Farm. The big news on the farm right now is that we're preparing to move the chickens from in the town where I live out here to the farm. The challenge is that I'm not able to come out here to the farm every day. Right now, the chickens are 3 minutes from my house. The farm is 30 minutes from my house, and I still work full time. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to build this Justin Rhodes Chick Shaw with a couple of modifications that I think is going to allow me to only come out a couple or 3 times a week. If you'd like to see the plans for this, Justin Rhodes gives them away for free. Just Google Justin Rhodes Chick Shaw and he gives them away, and you can handle that right online. Because of my unique situation, I wanted to make a couple of modifications to the original plans. The first thing is, I wanted there to be an automatic door because obviously I'm not going to be here every morning and every night to put them up and let them out. And then the next thing is, I wanted a roll-out nesting box so that the eggs would roll out of the chicken's reach so that I wouldn't have problems with them eating them or pooping on them. When I first contemplated wanting a Justin Rhodes Chick Shaw, I was intimidated by the thought of building it myself. And so I reached out to several people in my life who have wonderful experience building things. I sent them the plans, and what I got back from every one of them is, oh, that looks complicated, or oh, that looks beyond my capabilities, or whatever. So I was very intimidated. I kept looking. I was willing to pay a large amount of money for somebody to build it for me, but couldn't find anybody. So I decided I was just gonna take it step by step. I was just gonna do it myself. It took weeks and weeks, doing a little bit every week, but because of how great the plans are, I was able to get it done with just help from my girlfriends when I needed a second set of arms. The plan is that I'm gonna have them out here. I'm gonna have the Chick Shaw with the door opening and closing every day, and I'm gonna have Premier One fencing around the Chick Shaw to protect them from predators. So we'll see if it works.